Today I'm going to show you how to complete your paperclip chain bracelet with charms. Now this kit is going to include approximately 8-inch paperclip link chain. On one side you'll have a closed loop. On the other side you'll have a jump ring and then your lobster claw clasp attached to it. It'll also come with your charms and your jump rings for those charms. This is going to be so easy to connect, and as you can see, my charms already have a little loop at the top, so I've just put them on a textured large jump ring just for display purposes. So you can go ahead and put this on any of the links because you do have all these open links. Anywhere on the bracelet you can put them. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to close that, make sure you don't have a gap, and now very simply you've got your charm bracelet. This is a very easy kit to follow, and now you are good to go. Thank you for watching.